morning all, my name is Alberto. I'm gonna talk about confined spaces. I'm gonna deliver a toolbox about confined spaces. The first thing we need to know, or we need to understand, what do you understand about when we talk about confined space? Why do you think it's important? What do you think is a confined space? Anyone? Confined. When we think about confined space,
Small
think
area.
about the shape, yeah. Could you please give me a few examples?
A drain.
For example, could be a tunnel, could be in this case is a clean room, and that is the upper ceiling. So the space, as you can see there, is very limited, and my colleague is really struggling to pass through and do the survey. Right. So we know what is a confined space. So why do you think we need to consider hazard and plan rescues in confined spaces?
Access.
Access would be limited, very limited.
Yeah.
Do you think someone can die, faint there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's correct. All the answers are correct. So the first thing I'm gonna cover is the hazards, okay? So I'm gonna talk about two hazards that we can find. The first one is toxic atmospheres, and the second one is because of rats urine. We can have some type of dangerous disease because of these rats urine. And then I'm gonna cover the before and during all these works in confined spaces. Before, what do you think we need before we start working in this confined space? I'm gonna give you a clue. The first letter is R.
Respirator.
Close, but no.
Risk assessment.
Risk assessment, yes. We need a risk assessment by a competent person, right? It's a very important point. What else do you think we need before?
Methods driven.
Yes, yeah, can be very, very helpful. What else?
Planned works.
We need permits,
Yeah.
very close. We need permits, a permit system in advance. What else?
Rescue plan.
Rescue plan, that's key, yeah, that's very, very important. And we always say, no rescue plan, no entry, as simple as that. There is another one. So we're in a very confined space. The key thing is breathing. So what do you think we should do?
Oxygen levels.
We need to control the quality of the air, very, very important. And during our works in the confined space, as you said before, the rescue plan is very important. No rescue plan, no entry. But there is another thing that's very, very important, two things. How do you think we can communicate when we are there?
Walkie-talkies.
Good example, walkie-talkies, yeah. Remote communication. And the key one, we've been talking about this all the time.
PPE.
PPE. Yeah, PPE, that's key. And I think this is a really important topic, and I don't know if you have any more questions, any additional questions.